Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy way to start making money online from home, you're in the right place. I make over $1,000 a day using these methods, and today I'm giving you a step-by-step guide. Completely free. No website, no prior experience, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Let's dive right in. First step. Find a trending topic that people are actively searching for. Here's how. Go to Google Trends, type in Google Trends, click on trends.google.com, and check the Trending Now section. Select the last 24 hours or 7 days to find hot topics gaining traction fast. Next, we want to identify what's working on YouTube. Use Glow AI or any free AI tool. Enter the trending keyword you found on Google Trends, filter results to the last month, and look for viral videos with high engagement. Now, let's make money with CPA, cost per action marketing. Sign up for CPA Lead or TapMob. These platforms pay you every time someone enters their email. Choose an offer that pays $6, $8 per email sign-up. Copy your unique affiliate link. We can also get paid just for clicks by using a link shortener. Go to shrinkearn.com, shorten your CPA link, and you earn $20 per 1,000 clicks, a great passive income stream. To drive traffic to your offers, we'll create an SEO-optimized blog post. Use Google Gemini, Grow, or ChatGPT to generate a 2,000-word blog post around the trending topic. Check readability using Hemingway Editor, aim for a grade level of 6 or below for maximum engagement. Expand each section using AI to improve depth and quality. Thumbnails drive clicks, so let's make an irresistible one. Download a YouTube thumbnail using a thumbnail downloader. Edit it using Canva, add a dark overlay, blur effect, and a clear call to action to make it stand out. Now it's time to publish your blog post and start earning. Use medium.com, Steemit, or Vocal Media to post your article. Insert your shortened YouTube link and CPA offer link within the content. Now let the traffic start rolling in. Every YouTube link click earns you money through ShrinkEarn. Every CPA sign-up earns you a commission of $6, $8 per lead. And that's it. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to make money online today. If you want to take things to the next level, consider faceless YouTube automation, which has helped people earn $10,000 plus per month. Tell me in the comments why you want to make money online, and I might have something special for you. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making strategies. See you in the next video. In this chapter, we'll dive deeper into advanced strategies for making money online. If you've mastered the basics and are ready to take your income to the next level, this is for you. We'll cover affiliate marketing, creating digital products, and leveraging social media for traffic. Stay tuned for actionable tips and tricks. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. One of the best platforms for affiliate marketing is Amazon Associates. Sign up for an account, choose products that align with your niche, and start promoting them through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Next, creating digital products is a fantastic way to generate passive income. Think about what knowledge or skills you have that others would pay for. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even a set of digital templates. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad make it easy to create, host, and sell your digital products. Finally, let's leverage social media for traffic. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok can drive massive amounts of traffic to your offers. Create engaging content that provides value, use relevant hashtags, and don't forget to include a call to action directing followers to your affiliate links or digital products. By combining these advanced strategies with the basics we've already covered, you can significantly boost your online earnings. Remember, consistency and value are key. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing your online income streams. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And as always, leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Let's make money online together.